Right, somewhat cooler this morning, so we thought we'd have a few minutes and then try and understand a few things that's been discussed over the weekend. The main topic at the moment is obviously how customers will interact with the dealerships. For motorhomes especially, showing somebody around the motorhome and then obviously trying to make sure that they're safe, i.e. the motorhome is clean and cleansed, if you like to use those words, and also that the staff who are showing them the motorhome are also there. We think this is going to be expanded in some ways because some dealers already understand they must help make the customer's decision to come to the showroom or buy online an easy one. And we think that some customers will be very, very keen to look at what the deals are, what's available, and find a way to discuss and buy the motorhome. Many people still want to see them. It's not going to be just a matter of walk this way and have a look. I think it's a matter of really getting the information better, and from that information providing an online service that's probably the best customer services you could imagine. So everything that the customer needs to know is online, it's interacted with chat and all the normal technology, and the customer is given a huge sense of well-being, i.e. people are really trying to help them here and keep them safe. And we think that's what's going to happen. So we're going to probably see traditional dealer sales from a showroom environment with extra protection for the customers. We challenge the fact that did we think the dealerships would change? Maybe they will, but maybe it'll be a slightly different change. But I do think that as more people grasp the online opportunity and having a vehicle delivered to their doorstep, that's got to be a plus as well. So a lot to think about, and I think hopefully that the sooner this happens, we can get back to trying to make sure that the customer is king and they are looked after in a really special way. Anyway, for the time being, stay safe.